and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one of its kind. I know I've never made a Twi or Ghana video, but today we are going to the local side. Yeah. So I keep on getting people asking me, when are you giving us a video in Twi or Ghana? So this is what I did. I posted on my Instagram story and then I sent a couple of broadcast messages to people. Ignore the sounds at the back, okay? My house is just by the roadside. Yeah. So I sent a couple of messages to people on Instagram and WhatsApp that they should ask me questions and then they should choose between Twi and Ghana, which of them they would like to see me make my video in. So people voted and then it came out as Twi was the most liked language for me to make my video in. Yeah. A lot of people don't know I can speak Twi. Hell, like I'm a Fanti. Okay, so since it's Twi, I think I'll be combining both Twi and Fanti in my video. So I've washed my hands already, and today I'm eating homemade fufu with light soup, as y'all can see. So this food was prepared by my mom. Yes, my mom is a caterer. She cooks as well, so if you want to reach out to her, you know me, like me, the food mistress, and my mom is a caterer like you, Bob. So it means the food automatically would be delicious, you, Bob, cause me to be that mecca, you, Bob. So hit my mom up, like get to me and let me link you to my mom for some cooking services, you, Bob. So we have fufu, we have light soup, there is scrap koto. So koto, as the Ghanaians will say. There is meat, there is tilapia here, and then there is wele, and then there is okra. And you know, koto kakra, meat kakra, tilapia kakra, nkruma kakra, fufu kakra, beef so kakra, and so mubedi enti no yen sha ase ana ye di nkwan egusu idie obi bese ye tete abete na ne cha no enti menu mi nsi odi asha ase enti yan sha ase wa ya komi je demeno atamfo nya me mambom pae ye we de me papa be ka se me be didi a me mbom pae me ye food video a me mbom pae because Debbie, me call Tamale na me ye. Me kodi wache no. Ose man bomb pie na so me nim say me bomb pie o video. Papa is man bomb pie nti. Na de en sa ka me be bomb pie mon kata mo ani. Erade ya das. So ma ye piani. Se ho anybody be hwe diani bia ye twa me wo Jesus Christ di mu. Amen. Just amen e on just so. Ye ndidi. Enti no. Mo se de Mope local mukbang. I know na me ya mama. Untu me didi a chere mo. Where beef? Oh, beef no man ba kupo. Oh, mami. Manade. Untu. O mama, onu aduane bebre. Otimi ye mo. Otimiya wache ni wache de papa. Otimiya wache. Otimiya benkuni tilapia. Aduane bia o bedwin bia. Otimiya. Eno ne hobby nti eno na oye. Maka. Ana me so mitimi nwe aduane but me pene didie no sen ne no ana. Maka. Jan koto. Oh, good. Hey, that's fine. I'm into tilapia and be mama na moja. Ini. Na. Me didi. Me nza mo kwa do but. We dey sorry me poto nkuma nego. Nkwan na ya me pede epi. Nti nkwan ni ben wi a me mane de sija no so kakra nsa. because I am a pet. What's that here? Because me a bougie. Inti me pen quite a bougie. Inti no one's man. I'm switching cough and take a cramming to do. Inti miss me mamma or yet ban. Now, and the mammy needs man and married you. But Sunday. Men tum ending coffee ban. Namin jam my minute at it. And from that, more fear. And I'm a catcher in a day. My fancy is spoiling. My fancy is really rusty. My catcher in there. Oh, mama. That's it. Maybe it's bad a bear. So that thing. Maybe it's bad a bear. So that I mean some can. I don't know how to say so that in English. So maybe it's bad a bear. So that well. Maybe a video. Not sure. About Fufu Light Soup. I'm not buying though. I'm sure the matter. Fufu Light Soup though. My favorite food. Okay. I'm not there. Not easy though. It's banana ben read. Some was some mukbang and say, oh, may I show me what means dinner? Munchy. Bed banker, I suck it to papa. And I'm not dorsal. Now, for me, went Ben. No, not dorsal, papa. Before about my moon on your banner. I've been a number, bro. On any secret into your ears by me and my partner and check. If it has a friend, both. But it's all I am cutting and chain. So that's so yeah. Now, many needs, and many needs there. Me a number, bro. And tell me, papa, from I didn't catch it. And remember, my phone is crying. I mean, my phone is shoot. My catch and coffee be there won't be some questions so that in the course of eating, but I answer questions. No, it's remember, Sisi Anna. May read the questions. Maybe I'm admire the Ayakasa. Now, so my idea. Slap and come penitio. Oh, that's slap at it. Say its name, Zinity. Now, no one's mine. But, men, Nito, Nidia. I'm name. No one's mine, and I'm sorry if you're not here, but. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the changla bushilanga, babas on globushilanga, no way. No way, one can I do a cargo, some cacklabos, some anyway. Okay, I'll mean to lapia and even man and say. Me remove fin soup. It's under pepper soup. Me crab no. Authentic. Cotton was some papa, black. No, and you make bad the cotton joy. Docun, another bimco. So I don't need true and now moko. Now Jane and you avocado, pear. Say now, jay. That's the cotton numuna, assumption. I don't know. Until my phone, Papa, me didn't answer more questions now, Mama. Why? Then I take off. Oh, baby, Sammy said, I tell them, what's the key to your happiness? Hey, Mammy, call Jim. Like, if I said, Debbie, I'm in the then I'm in the Debbie. So I'm sorry, I'm a pa. Baby, I'm a constant. Depending on Woody Pedianos, woman. Now, oh, sorry, I'm a pa. Just make your mind say, and then me will happy mood. Now we say like everything you do, oh you're happy. Just make your mind, mindset no na. Emma will feel it say, yeah. Oh you be a ninja. Me say me want my downside so. Sometimes I'm a rebel. Say me nipa me emotions. Sometimes I'm a rebel. But my mindset, they be a me imagine say. My mommy ni aje me ma hwen have. What I say? Nti anu obi so bisa me say, "Ni an eji." Someone ni an eji. Ni an eji bisa me say, "Why do you like food like that?" I don't know me pay the answer. Oh. Reason how? Why not? What I say osi stomach has no holiday. We have no ni holiday. Ni public holiday. We have to be a yedma. Ah. Ediane de ye. Then ediane ye. Ediane pa de ye. Aha. Ntantu na mpe de ansa. Nso menya kase so. Obi say, my question is, will you get married to Patapa Rich or Majid Michelle Poor? Patapa Rich, Majid Michelle Poor. My question radio. Okay, me there I feel say Obi aware already. It doesn't matter say or you're rich and I say or you're poor. If you guys more your way, more you're compatible and you're compatible. Say more vibe ne wo ho more vibe here. And they say to me worry ni pa no na say Patapa poor ne Patapa rich ne Majid poor they say me shade nhusu you. That's a question cram me shade nhusu. Me dear no vibe very okay no you better respect me na me no better vibe what I say sika there but enye bibia sika enye bibia like what I say I can between it around I refuse what makes you you? Then Emma me yeme. And they made this Mammy to enter so I make a zero. Maybe I'm saying yes, slimming cost. Now can send for my ebina. My slimming cost. Obi said then Emma me yeme. Wait a minute, once I cry me mouth. Wait the other. My chocolate and I cry has to. Dear Quiddy. Wait, I ask the question. Let me once I'm in mouth. I'm in kind of cry. Then for next one. What is your greatest regret in life? My greatest regret. I think then I may know me home. Nipa oya de bebre unu but me dem believe say ya fa ne say bibia ya disian ti say why bibi na say we hu now dey sian there somewhat we bibi na unu hu fa sian there I don't punch the bibia be bibia ma we nu I've encountered a lot of things like first of all some people are my mom we me down for in the first place me no bia me I used to penny ba and then my parents ba but in kofobi wa hono ma na enyisanka me entertain your friendship po but mistake I me here say me a tool of a nice person and I may entertain your friendship and like you ba into no idea I regret it to entertain it's not mean be what Twitter I think some people don't even deserve say omo be hu fie some of your friends Maybe I'm quantum now for what I say. Until ya am now for me why? And Obi say, what push you to do what you are doing? As in then a Kenya me say me they may to say me more. Dim kuta hudim. Eh, me guy. Story be grab me team. Time I me want me beauty pageant now. You call media house be a career interview and now say and catch you. Me can't train you. I'm not for saying me train elective trio. Can you imagine? Maybe say elective tree now. But this is what push you to do what you are doing. Then a piano. A Kenya mean 7 years dear me no. Okay, me obi a me pekasa pa. I'm me sure say bi a me so me dear no. Me pekasa. Enti me pekasa ya. Me san pe phone so emi a ne camera emi. Aha, no na mama ye dear me ye. And I me wo nkofo more around me a. Omu pushing me say, ubeti me aye. Even times me give you a cry. Omu pushing me say, me nye bibi. And also we say, I don't have any question, just a compliment. You are doing amazing, and I love your drive. Keep it up. Okay. I'm translating. Obi say, many question be many. Question I can't tell you. Many same for bia, ana. Many same bisabia. Many same bisabia na enkan fo keke. Oh yeah, dear. Na me pedia oyero. Nti koswaye. Me da say, Madam for Stephanie na throwaway. Stephanie. Na nama. Oh whatever. No no throwaway. And I Stephanie me penasem pa, a good friend. I'm pen na wasem. But sometimes beside myself, what's one thing you regret doing? Then I wire when I make my car that I said, now for phobia me fine now one. And yes, I be out, but I say, as a training bow. And I'm saying, tree not saying, but me down in India, me dear, I don't know. Me to me point you. You don't know so the phone so mammy. Never get to do. No, make us say. So I'm in phobia in the first place. I was coming avoid your mobile. I don't know. Maybe they be a me dream pa ho dream panty. So bonny we cry back me. Na me so. Well, not the family. Okay, remember my lesson. And I damn my regretting. And some him down for me. Hi. Obviously then. My question is, 1, do you have any diet plan for maintaining your body size? 2, any skincare routine for your face? First one, my diet plan. Maybe sometimes my diet plan and like me sure me did you say and me sure me did you me did by heart, but I'm tiring did like very late at night. What I say, but me did be kesiana me body na kesia kesia na mpeme. But me did papa, me did you, but I say, I say, on me, I can be sano. Mini diet plan, but now me a size 8. See, I'm a size 10. Kakra. See, I'm a size 10. Sometimes, okay. But my 12 found better to be. Me got some money to my beer. And easy ground. Until me saw something to me, I show some sample size 8. But my bassa na can say, my bassa so. And open I can say. And I'll be saying, my skincare routine. My skincare routine for my face. Me skincare routine. My skincare routine, I'm not sure I'm sick. Me and bone. Me and the face wash be na me use some kakao. As I say. And when I am using intimate so me routine. Say routine. And I'm using no pebia. And I me jam makeup here for some time. I know say most of you say most of my videos I am me the meaning sana. Me dey I'm swimming coupon on my bet na my coming. Lip gloss na my bet na say. Me sure that anything extra obia sa. And to another my skincare routine. Your next question. Could be say when I might see my last baby. Hey Angela. Yeah, my sure why. Angela so paid down. What motivates you? Who motivates you? Sorry. Why Kenya? Okay. So about your YouTuber. So Nigerian lady be a friend of Kelechi. Bang now so be this Kefani Kelechi on YouTube now very crisp like oh or your video now. I said, oh, like what I said, oh to me, like video near bougie. Video near like I corner into or no motivating me say YouTube and independent I refer to or no motivating me for YouTube. And in real life no one confirm motivating me. And then I watch a lot of the kind of videos into and also Kenya me kakra. What I say? My best friend so motivating me pa. And Obi said, how well can you even speak Ghana? Say I met me a Ghana. Me Ghana dey know mama yi ba koma mususia but me na me person me Ghana because me di fufu nti. Fufu no down there. And nam ko em fa. But mama ka ba control mama fa for no. Mama ka myself kakra wo gram. Me na mama Jimmy Bear I try me na nama ni inye ma kenye me age she miss more fufu wa dente na kan no ni kefe bokbo body body kefe bokbo body maka min kan rio min kebio na mo best me enti obeso bisa me say oh question ba kwasa fa me so again nko na me min ka what happened to your low ambition or you've given up? I've not given up. Okay, it's more of some social like BB to say you get it, but you have to read law to become a lawyer. Yeah, I'm not yet. Currently, I'm not reading law, but I'll read law. Yeah, I'm not giving up at all. But you're in same nanny account. As I said, website and I mean, sharp on two kind of Mama Nincha, on my was enjoy some porno here. Mama for my bro. My young real good than well, I do. I'm also quite like that. But yeah, I my maid did to say, okay, you. And I'm what? And you know, I'm say the video no yeah they query you. So more part 2 of video where more can share me well baby I try comment no one. I don't hang train cause me really Ghana for I mean can be bring trouble. There be a much me video. Mom person mo best subscribe. Aden me pa mucho. Okay me pa mucho. Mo hit the subscribe button. Won't say baby wo ho. Ya try the red across say subscribe. Okay na we miaso. O miaso ya bell bi wo ho na we miaso. Fefe. O mia bell on so a. Anytime bi me post video bia pe no. E be ma notification fast. Na we hu na wa hwe. Now I like it so yeah no one comment was we bougie no comment was say we fine yeah mo comment mo ma me ideas na me video say mamo but yeah na mo eja me size sequencing fia den Miss Ram yeah mo comment why yeah mo comment yeah mo subscribe yeah no wo mo na wa share link na ma wa down for sa na e cost they be mama broaching for YouTubers omo come anywhere Africa for Nigeria YouTubers come come any na so Ghana ha there obi ehun se ne nyanko ye na enye ono no ye ntim onfi na so du ne so dia na opese ne nyanko no emboa no o ye say yes eh once wa fair subscribe what do I fair subscribe I can't be cut on a number. Hey, I'm going to cut up bread. Cut on baby. I can see them. I'm still opening there. Cut up bread. Let me see some in can't see me to very cut up bread. Hey, come on with you. Move back on this idea in the Bible. I do. Hold on. I have a season post. Yeah, mommy knew Dania. Yeah, got to know why? Why? Because I'm a victim. You did I'm caught now. Sometimes a friend can't me worth. Let's make a sound. And so for me, I'm me own good. Dear, no coffee. We did it. Let's do it. I had something. Fatu comment section. If you are now person Mindy, Chemseria, person Mindy Coco, eh? Mindy Coconte down. About person Mindy Abetia, Coconta Betia, ham. No, I try. Person Mindy Benqua. Now I try person Mindy more. I try person Mindy buyer. I mean pen and draw for us to maybe be once, but person Mindy I made the contaminate you. I am and also so meaning the person Mindy try. Nami who the person Mindy, and I mean, I'm on Shannon winning the way. It's a real, Mamma. Don't so do. Mamma, my ring, I'm needing now. Mamma got a mean dear, my savior, no, but the command come and almost somewhere. We'll be back. This comes to the end of our video. Where the video near that they are buried in a crack. Be kind, gonna subscribe, right? Monya good boys and girls, right? Stay blessed. Peace out.